So they rearranged the whole kitchen and put a door into the garden.
Yes, which was a game changer.
Yeah, means we can now use the garden.
Yes. The kitchen is completely transformed because we kind of gutted everything and redid it from the ground up. So we have underfloor heating now, completely new tiling in addition to the layout changes, and did quite complex things like recess the cooker into the chimney, which again
added so much space.
Yeah, to the floor plan. So that was probably one of the biggest transformations. And I would say the other big highlight is our bedroom, where there was a tiny door before, and it's the top floor, so we were really missing out on the light.
Yeah, so now we have this huge door, like glass door onto the balcony, and it just lets in all the light.
I don't know how many samples of paint, tiles, and various other things that I've ordered, but it just turned out beautifully. I think the light really reflects a lot better in the room as well. Like, it's been such a brilliant end-to-end experience. You know, from at the beginning, I was kind of worried about planning permission because we're in a conservation area. It's always tricky, and just working with the architects to figure out what we could get away with and still have things approved was brilliant, all the way, of course, to the build. I've worked with
and it was very nice that we lived somewhere else during the build, and we didn't have to worry about it, and we just really trusted you guys to get it done the right way
the first time.
and I
think that made a huge difference.